It's your boy Wiper and I'm back with another motherfucking video, man. You like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the motherfucking channel. You watching OGTV. And in today's video, I'm gonna go on the Monkey app. I've been seeing everybody using this Monkey app, so I'm about to go on and test it out real quick, you feel me? So I'm gonna do a little rate me 1 through 10 on the Monkey app, see what they rate me. Let's get it.
I need a baby who get nasty but classy in front of all these people. She got that big ego. I need to be able to lick on that pussy ball like an eagle. She gotta eat Creole. Got a smile but she mean though. I need a bad little freak. I need a bad little freak.
Boy, OGTV Wiper in this bitch. I'm trying to meet people right now. Hi. I got a question for you. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
You black. You like your sweater.
She didn't even rate me. She said I was black like my sweater. Damn, I should do a roast me. Hey, roast me real quick.
You want me to roast you, bro?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so you expect me to take that?
Hey, the boy's about to fire me up. This shit's funny. But I still haven't got no one to rate me yet. Rate me 1 through 10. Oh, she got a tongue ring.
We can't hear you.
I said rate me 1 through 10.
Alright, never mind.
This shit's so lame. I can't get nobody on here. Oh. Okay, so this is not going as planned. It's really hard. It's harder than I thought it would be. Let's try this again. Yeah, probably. Rate me 1 through 10. Rate me 1 through 10. Hold up, this is my good side. Damn. Hi.
Hi.
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
Rate what?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
8.
At 8? Thank you.
Yo.
That was like my first one and I got an 8. Like, how old are you?
16.
Oh my god. We trying to go to jail? That's jail time. Dates. Hi.
Okay. Hi.
Can you rate me 1 through 10? No, you can't rate me 1 through 10. Damn. I was that ugly. Hi.
Hi. How do you say your name?
Wiper.
Why?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
You're 8.5.
Thank you very much. I like your eyelash.
I like your teeth.
She wanted the D.
Yeah. Alright.
Hi. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
5.
A 5? That bitch said a 5, cuz. Sheesh. Hi. God damn, you a snack.
Go stupid. Ah! Go crazy.
Rate me 1 through 10. Hold up. This my good side. Hold up. This my good side. Hold up.
Oh my gosh. You get 8.
Ooh, hold up. Add me. Oh, damn. Ooh, 2 girls 1 time. Rate me 1 through 10.
3. 7.
Which one of y'all said 3?
3.
Girl, if you don't go do something with your hair, fuck wrong with her. She be said a 3. What the fuck? That bitch said a 3. I'm still on that. I slap her. I think her friend. Oh, hi. Gang. Can you rate me 1 through 10? Ooh, Ooh, she puffing on the smoke. Oh, this is my good side.
I don't know, like 7.
7. Let's go. White girl. Hola. Can you rate me 1 through 10? It's my good side.
At least I have that. You rate you 1 through 10?
Yeah.
You can do it. 3, that's it.
That's 2 3s, God. That hoe was ugly because she wasn't even on camera. Fuck wrong with her? Hey, y'all boys roast me.
Sir, you're so dark it looks like you already been roasted.
I don't got nothing to say. Hi. Damn, girl, I scared you? Anyway, quick question. Rate me 1 through 10.
This big bro. Ooh, I was gonna do it too.
Damn. Damn. I just said a 2 and a 0. That's a 20. Fuck wrong with her? Quick question.
You ugly.
I ain't even asked my question yet. Damn. That bitch said I was ugly. Alright, hello. You can't speak?
What's up?
Anyways, quick question. Can you rate me 1 through 10? Fuck you too then, ho. Hi. Can you rate me 1 through 10? Can you rate me 1 through 10? She just hung up on me. Damn, I keep missing some of them.
Why, Bree? Why?
Why? Rate me 1 through 10. Hey, y'all the first person to get my name right though, by the way. Oh, okay, so I still ain't get my rate yet.
You a 7, 6.
I don't like how you keep going down. You like,
You like a 7, 8.
see, there you go. I was fine with the 7, but you went down. So,
No, because I don't know you. I don't know your personality.
okay, I feel you. Where y'all at though? Y'all outside in the sun?
Yeah, we in the county.
Oh, okay. I'm in Florida.
Bro, it's summer. Where are y'all at? Y'all keep asking where we at.
I'm in Florida, so
I'm trying to go to McDonald's, or could you DoorDash me some pizza good, guys?
I got. All right, I'm gonna send you a link. You get like $7 off from DoorDash.
Okay, go for it.
No,
I got no card.
huh?
I got no credit card.
Hey, what it do, man? Quick question. Rate me 1 through 10.
You said what?
Rate me 1 through 10. A 10? Oh my god. She said a 10. I didn't even see her face though. She probably was ugly as fuck. Can you rate me 1 through 10? She said 10. That's 2. I'm on 5. Ooh, Kai. Let's meet Kai from Texas. Hi.
Hello.
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
How's your period?
I'm going to do it.
I'll give you an 8.
A 8. Ooh, I like it. I like your hair. It's straight. And your smile.
Like you said, fucking
I lied. That whole uglier than a. Ooh, I got 2 girls 1 time. Hey, can you rate me 1 through 10? I'm that ugly I can't even get a rate. Damn. It was getting too hot, cuz, so I had to take off my jacket, cuz, you feel me? Put on this little do-rag, cuz my hair all fucked up, you feel me? So, I'm about to go back on it, but new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn that post notification on. It's your boy, Wiper, and you're watching OGTV, man. Gang.
Hello.
What's up?
Oh, you know, like my daddy.
What?
Oh, you got some white teeth though.
Hey, rate me 1 through 10.
Follow that head, but you
Damn, I missed it. She said I look like her dad. don't even got no kids. Hi. Can you rate me 1 through 10?
8.
At 8. Thank you. You look bored as fuck, girl. I been said an 8. Roast me. Yeah. Fine, just roast me, bro. He said I look like a skull. You look like what's on your hat. Shut your bitch ass up, boy. Alright, y'all, so it was just straight niggas on this bitch, and nobody was going on, nobody joining or whatever. So I'ma just end the video right here. So again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, go watch my other videos. Comment down below, let me know what you wanna see. You feel me? And I got more story times coming for y'all, man. More public interviews, bro. You feel me? I got more shit coming. Don't worry. You feel me? And I'm the boss. Y'all the gang. This the TV. And I'm out. This bitch.
Where the weed at? Where the smoke? I thought spliff met my choke. Real bad man, no joke. Gun pa my waist, no hoes. Gunshot, gun in a ghost. Why does some boy them for know? When I take this on the road, think I'm the shit, yeah I know. Little baby, you a strong. Girl, don't hit my phone. I want no issues. I can't fall with you.